books, journals. These are the things that generally strike our mind, mostly during the time of exams. But our SFIT library is a new place to explore in our SFIT campus. A library that started with 1200 books now have over 25,000 books. With basic facilities, UG and PG books, online journals, and a cordial staff, it is an all-in-one package. It also provides resource searching and inter-college, inter-library loan service among 6 colleges of ACME institutions. So friends, whenever you enter the library, you must enter your PID number.
SFIT Library has an enormous collection of resources. Till date, we have more than 25,000 UG books and more than 1100 PG books. Reference books of different authors are available on each subject. Apart from this, there are magazines, newspapers, journals which can be of great use for us. There are 12 different newspapers which can be accessed during library hours. Apart from this, there are blank books which can be used as a reference for our further projects. Our library is a proud member of IIT, Bombay, Delnet and National Digital Library.
Apart from the academic books, the library also houses some spiritual, sports, biographies, autobiographies. For students who want to pursue higher education, we have some GRE, GMAT, GATE books so that the student can refer them and go for their competitive exams. We also have a digital section where we have internet access so that the student can use them and refer to the online IEEE journals and NPTEL videos which are available to them.
So done with the library tour. So now I'm going to tell you about the most important thing in a library. First, the library card. This is the most important thing in the library. Without this, you can't issue a book. Okay, so what does this library card do? This library card helps us to get various books which we need during our semester. It also helps us to get the university papers which is there in this library and you can access it easily. And with this one library card, you can issue 2 books for 7 days during our semester. And during our PL, which is a preparation leave, we can have it for 15 days. Second, the Book Overdue app. This app is made by our own students, which helps us to remind us about the due date and also for the return date of the books which we have issued. Third, the Web-OPAC website of a library. This is one of the important sites you should have a look on it. This will help you. Okay. So what this site does, it helps us to reserve a book. Okay. So what does reserve a book means? Now there are various books which we want, but sometimes we cannot access it because some other students have taken the book already. As I have said, a book can be issued by a student 3 times. After 3 times, he cannot take the same book. So this is where Web-OPAC comes into use.